say even like the machine type, plant, they all have data now. Okay, that looks great, which means like we do all the right things to get it processed. Now we need to clean the data from the table, because later we're gonna run everything again. And also check it. Yeah, I don't have to, but you can double check it if you want. Okay, awesome. They are empty now. We go back to the Visual Studio, and again, stop debugging. And the last table we're gonna use will be the batch. Rename it as load. Then connect them. Now double click it. So now we need to find the source. Where is this time we are no longer use the OLEDB source. We're gonna use a new file so we can find it from the other source. This time we're gonna use a flat file source. And the next part, once we have the source, we need to sort it. Once we sort it, we also need to derive the column. So drag columns here. The last part will be the destination, which means like the destinations you want to put the data in, the tables we want to put the data in. So it's still gonna be the other destination or LDB destination. Looks great. So the first one will be the flat file source. You can double click this one. This one will be different with the one we have before. We're gonna use a different data source. So I want you to click new and trying to click this browser and trying to right here using like the cis-analytics.appstate.edu and then find your folder, and we are going to go to your folders and find the folders which is named the SIS source data. And it is empty here, but it's okay. You can click the CSV. Then you're able to see the batch information CSV. So this is the flat file we're gonna use. This is the source for this table. I want you to click open. Then looks great. So we click column, double check if you have some data here, we do. And then you can click the advanced. Now we need to change the data type. I want to choose this 3 and change the data type to the 4-byte integer, and choose the time started and time stopped it. Stop it into the time stamp, the database timestamp. The last two, we choose them all and 4-byte signed integer. So we can quickly preview it, click OK, and click OK one more time. So now we have the source now. So you can just connect to the source, and also you can go ahead and connect with the derived column. Go ahead and connect to the destination. So now we need to do something about the source. Source means like we're gonna sort the data with ascending in a specific variables, and the one we're gonna use here will be the batch number. So let's try to find the batch numbers and make sure the sort type will be ascending. So that's the one we want to use, and make sure there you have to check the button here, remove rows with duplicate sort values. Just make sure we want to remove the duplicate values. If you have it, you might easier to get in the error. Make sure you check it and click OK. The next one will derive columns. For this part, we need to copy a quick code from the instruction. So this is the instructions we're gonna use, like quick expressions we're gonna use. And now I want to copy it in the expression, and this one, the name, we want name as batch name, CHNAME, and then okay, we can click OK. So now the next part will be the OLDB destination, which is similar with what we did before. because this one will be a batch load batch tables. So definitely so the table we're gonna save the data will be the dim batch. Then we click mapping to make sure the batch number is also with batch number, batch name associated with batch name. It's great. So now we are go back to the control flow, and I think I already cleaned everything in my table, but in case I do anything wrong, let me try to check it one more time. Okay, it looks great. So now we have everything required in Assignment 304. And once I started without any error, any bugs, then we are all set. Oh, awesome. So once you got all the check mark here, I want you to use a snapping tool. Remember, snapping tool, you can use this tool, take a screenshot of this check mark and paste it in the Word file. That's all you needed for assignment 304. That's it.